dear students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follow: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141 centimeter. So what is the height of the tallest girl? So in the first part, we have to find out the height of the tallest girl. So from all this, it is clearly visible that 151 centimeter is the highest. So we can say that the height of tallest girl is equals to 151 centimeter. So 151 centimeter is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discuss the second part. What is the height of the shortest girl? So if again we have to find out the height, shortest height. So from all this, it is clearly visible that 128 is the shortest. So we can say that the answer to the second part, that is equals to the height of shortest girl is equals to 128 centimeter. Now let's discuss the part 3. In this we have to find out what is the range of the data. So in the third part we have to find out the range of the data, as we know that the range is equals to the maximum value minus the minimum value. So in this case, range is equals to the highest or the largest height minus the lowest height. So highest height from here is equals to 151 centimeter minus the lowest is equals to 128 centimeter. So 151 minus 128 is equals to the 23 centimeter. So from here we can say that the range is equals to 23 centimeter. So this is the answer to the part 3rd. Now let's discuss the part 4th. In this part we have to find out what is the mean height of the girls. So we have to find out the mean height of the girls. So in order to find out the mean height, we have to divide the total height of the girls divided by the number of girls. So that is total height divided by the number of girls. So we are going to add the height of all the girls here, which is equals to 128 plus 132 plus 135 plus 139 plus 141 plus 143 plus 146 plus 149 plus 150 plus 151, and there are total 10 girls. So when we add the terms, we get the value as 1414, which is divided by 10. So when we divide this with 10, we get the value as 141.4. So we can say that the mean of the height is equals to 141.4 centimeter. So this is the answer to the part 1. Now in the part 4. Now in the part 5th, we have to find out how many girls have the height more than the mean height. Mean height is 141.1 centimeter. So 135 is less, but 150 is greater. Again 139 is less, 128 is less, 151 is greater, 132 is less, 146 is greater, 149 is greater, 143 is greater, but 141 is less. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that there are 5 girls whose heights are greater than the mean height. So the answer to part 4 is 5 girls, which are 143 centimeter, 146 centimeter, 149 centimeter, 150 centimeter and 151 centimeter. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.